Come test drive the 2021 Kia K5. The Kia K5 has a stylish exterior that will be sure to turn heads, sleek interior looks, fantastic handling, and an abundance of technology will make this a fun vehicle to drive. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, heated side mirrors, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.